Welcome to AdsReel. In this short demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can use AdsReel to create video ads, video commercial, video AdWord for businesses and your own products and services using just a prompt and AI within minutes. Now, we've built AdsReel to be stupidly simple and super fast to use with instant previewing enabled in it. To create your first video, all you need to do is click on Create Video Ads or Ads Video button over here. Now right here, you can enter your campaign name. Let's say we're trying to create a video for a certain barber salon in Orlando, Florida. So I'm going to say barber campaign number 1. And in the search type right over here, I can choose from places, web, which is domain, and custom. Now if I select custom, this is useful when the place, the business that you're trying to search has no website, has no internet presence. It's great for services or courses or products that you're trying to sell. Now in our case, we'll use places to find barbers in Orlando. I'm going to type barber here as a keyword. You can also type a specific business name as well. Now, AdsReel works for every single country in the world that you can think of. For our use case, we're going to go with United States of America over here. And I'm going to select the state as Florida. And the city's going to be, let's see, Orlando. And I'm going to click on Submit. Now what AdsReel is going to do is going to go out there and start finding tons of barber businesses in the United States, in the state of Florida, in Orlando, and list them for me to pick from. Now, generally, I would recommend to be a little bit more specific of what kind of barber you're looking for. Let's say if you're trying to create a video for urban styles, make sure you mention urban styles or urban barber if you want something more specific. Now, you can view their website by clicking on Open Website to get a bit of an idea of what these guys do. And then if you're ready to create a video for them, you can click on Select Video. Same here, you click on Open Website and it's going to take you to their website so you can see all the other details about them. Now, if I like this one, I want to create a video for this one, I'm going to click on Select. Now, I'm going to give it a prompt. Let's say I'm trying to create a video commercial where this said barber is offering 50% discount on all services. So I'm going to say 50% discount on all services for the month of July. And then I'm going to select the vibe. Could be laid back, could be fun, could be inspirational. I'm going to want to make something fun. This helps pick up background music and the styling of the video. Now, you can create 3 different kinds of videos: short, medium, long. Short videos are about 30 seconds, mediums are about 60 seconds, and long are a little bit over 1.5 minutes. Let's say we want to create a long video and click on Generate Video. Now, here's what AdsReel is going to do in the background. It's going to go to Google and it's going to find its website and so on and find its Google My Business listing, capture all the data including the images, the logos, the videos, the branding style, the phone number, the address, the website details, anything and everything in between. And once it finds it together, it's going to convert that into a script and render a video. Now, as you can see, the video is ready. It's awaiting customization. I'm going to click on Edit to start customizing the video. Now, as you can see, it's a 2-minute long, almost 2.5 minute long video, and it is ready for me to preview. Now, what you can do here is you can change the template. If you don't like the template, you can customize the general setting. You can change the background audio. You can change the voiceover, the theme color. You can add a logo, watermark, intro, outros. You can see from all the media clips that we find from this barber, we had about 5 images. Then we can go here, change all the text that we have written in the video. We can customize the text as we want, make it bold, italic, capital, small, cross something out, center line, medium aligned, font size, font color, everything in between. and then we can also control the background music and the voiceover. Now, once we are done with the video, we're happy with the way video is looking, we're done with the customization and everything, what we're going to do is we're going to click on render video right over here, and it's going to start rendering video in real time. And within the next few seconds, you'll have your video ready to download, which then you can share on Facebook and YouTube, and even publish it as a Facebook ads if you want. Now, let's make another quick video about a hotel. So let's say hotel campaign in Vegas. And I'm going to again go with places, and I'm going to search MGM. I'm going to go with United States again. This time I'm going to go Nevada. I'm going to select Las Vegas and click on submit. I'm just going to go out there and find any business with a similar name as MGM. So it's got a bunch of MGMs, but we're going to go with MGM Grand. I'm going to select this and give it a prompt. Let's say we want to create a video about, again, 30% off on all rooms when you stay with for a week. Fun vibe. Let's make it a long video again. And as you can see, it's going out there and generating and capturing all the details about that business, while we have our barber campaign that's rendering at almost at 67%. In the next couple of minutes, we'll have the barber campaign ready to download, to share online, and we'll also have the hotel campaign ready for us to customize. Now, the customization can again take a minute up to 5 minutes depending on how much data we are capturing. So in terms of campaign for barber, it was super quick because there wasn't a lot of images about the business. But in terms of MGM, I bet they have a lot of images, a lot of videos for us to scrape and download. So it's going to take about a minute or two. But here we are, quick. And ready. I'm going to click on customize, and let's have a quick preview. This video is about 3 minutes long, and let's do a quick preview on it. And as you can see, it's picked up a lot of content from here. If I go to templates and media, I can see there's a lot of images for me to pick from. And again, I can click on render, and it's going to start rendering this video super quickly and ready for me to download. So